Welcome back everyone. Today I'm sharing this elegant floral card featuring the Grand Dahlia from Altenew's Crafty Flower collection. This card has such a rich contrast and dimension. I really love how the deep grape tones pop against the textured black and gray background. Let's walk through how these lovely flowers came together from start to finish. Off camera, I die cut the flowers out of grapevine and the foliage out of moss paper. I chose grapevine because it has a beautiful tone that mimics the color of the gorgeous black dahlias. Crafty Necessities Cardstock takes in blending well, which makes it perfect for creating layered petals with depth and variation. Also, I die cut some of the centerpieces out of white cardstock to add accents of pink and green. For the ink blending, I used shades from the jade green family of inks to add depth to the greenery. I wanted the foliage to complement the flowers without overpowering them, so I kept the blending soft and as natural as possible. The jade tones add freshness and balance against the darker florals and dramatic background, don't you think? For the dahlias, I combined several gorgeous shades to build those rich burgundy and plum tones throughout the different petal layers. I blended obsidian pigment ink to the 3 top layers of the flowers. This step really adds drama and to the top centerpiece of each flower. To shape the foliage, I added gentle curves and bends so they would tuck naturally around the flowers. Layered florals always look more realistic when the foliage has some movement as well. For the card base, I used Morning Frost cardstock, the masonry wall embossing folder, and obsidian pigment ink. The complete process on how I created this card base will be linked at the end of this video. so please check it out. Regularly, I always do a dry fit of my elements to make sure I have enough foliage and to give me an idea where to position each element. I am using a strip sentiment that I mounted using instant dimension foam tape metallic onto gold cardstock, which also was attached using instant dimension foam tape. I will attach the flowers using black instant dimension foam tape, and I will tuck in the foliage behind them using a combination of foam tape and liquid glue. I really like the contrast between the black and gray background because it makes the deep red and black florals pop. The combination of dimensional florals, texture embossing, and rich ink blending creates a card that feels detailed and sophisticated, but still very approachable to recreate. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, and if you give this idea a try, don't forget to tag me. Also, if you enjoy creating dimensional flowers, the Craft a Flower collection from Altenew paired with the Crafty Necessities Cardstocks are the way to go. Also, Altenew is graciously offering a 10% discount to my followers on the Crafty Necessities Cardstock collection. All the details are in the description box. I hope this project inspires you to play with bold florals, texture backgrounds, and dimensional shaping on your cards. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Until next time, happy crafting!